Alright, welcome back everybody. Today taking a look at multiplying integers, review from earlier today where we have three different scenarios that we may be coming across if we are multiplying a positive number by a positive number. We know our product is going to be a positive number. We've been you know, learning these times tables since we were about second, third grade. So kind of like example, if we have 5 times 7, 5 groups of 7, we would have 35 overall. The second example, we have to remember that multiplication is commutative, meaning order does not matter. So whether if this first term is positive and this one's negative, or if this is negative and this is positive, whatever, if you have a positive and a negative, your product will always become negative. So if I had 6 times negative 4, I'm going to get negative 24. If we swapped the order and we had negative 4 times negative 6, we would still get negative 24. The last example, if we have a negative number multiplied by another negative number, we would end up with a positive number. So example, if I have negative 3 times negative 7, we in fact get 21. So remember, when you are multiplying integers, make sure you identify where you are going to be and then proceed to solve. So there's a couple different ways that we can do this. I'm just going to narrow it down to 2. So for example, if I have 4 times 3, we know that gets us 12. So what we would do is, we know we're going to have 4 groups, or 3 groups of 4, 4 groups of 3. So here I am multiplying by 4, 4, 4. So I have 3 groups of 4, and I end up with 12. So we can do a number line where we start at 0, and we count over however many, and we repeat. The other example that I really like are number tokens. If we are sticking again with our example of 4 times 3, we have, just realized I have missing one group. So I have 4 groups of 3, which would get me 12. So with this one, since I know that they're all going to be positive, I just have one big group. I have one group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, and 4 groups of 3 will get me 12. And so that is multiplying integers. If you have any questions, or if you want extra practice, check out the Khan Academy links in the description of this video. Take care. See you next video.